Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how to fix this problem in After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and for example I will use Photoshop layer, and let's select this burger layer, press P and create new path in Keyframe and go to 10 keyframes. Let's move up. Again go to 10 keyframes, select first keyframe, copy paste. And for bounce animation, let's go to 3 keyframes, 1 to 3. For shotgun, you can use page down keyboard and move up a little bit. Again, go to 3 keyframes, 1 to 3. Select this keyframe, copy paste, and let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna make smooth keyframes. Select keyframes, make it easy, or click F9 and preview animation. So right now we have jumping problem. Let's select work area. Let's see. Okay, let's see. So in this area I have not any keyframes, but my burger layer moving to down like this. So let's fix it. Select last 3 keyframes, right mouse, keyframe interpolation, and coordinate settings. Let's click here and choose linear. Click OK. And let's see. Okay, here we go. Fix it. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments, and have a good days. Good luck.